Welcome to part 8 of the 3D Build Your Own 3D printer. Let's open this issue up. Inside we've got another little chipboard. Chipboard thing there, and that was last week, and that's what I've got so far. So let's see what it says in the magazine. That's web access code. Jewellery, that's designed for you. 3D metal printer, custom made design, personal touch, zoom review. And zoom, this is that tutorial program. It's all about what you can create in things with it. Like a clock that we can build. That clock there. Like quite a big clock. It's got that. Telling you how to do it. Detail revolution. All the things you can build. Oh, this is what I want to know about. Stage 1, effectively motor driver board. With this issue you receive a motor driver board that adds functionality to the motor tester board. That finishes that. So with this issue you receive a motor driver board that adds functionality to the motor tester board. Don't think I'll be doing much again this week. Motor board will be plugged into the motor tester board. Okay, the motor driver board will be plugged into the motor tester board. Please keep this board safe and do not fit it yet. Full instructions for connecting and using these boards will be supplied in issue 10. This is issue 8, so got to wait. Next week will be the AC adapter. You receive an AC adapter with issue 9, which I just said, and a high grade electrical motor with issues 10 of 3D create and print, and then you will be able to set your own printer into action for the first time. You can set the position of the y-axis components, highlighting in red on the printer image above right. So far, this bit here, it goes backwards and forwards, so I presume the motor will go there, the hole there, a space rocket, and I'll just keep that safe in there, and it'll. So I'll keep them safe in there and there. I think probably that. I think that will fit into there, where those look back things go, I reckon. And then got this wire here, will either fit into that one there, or maybe that one there. Not sure, but I'll just keep them safe. headphone cable tidy, coin dish, table stand, cinema car part 2, the wheels, make an impression with embossing, and again that's the power side. The power supply will be fitting to that bit there, so it's slowly coming together. So that's it. So for a few weeks I'm not doing much, not building much, but there you go. Well, thanks for watching. Bye.